jumbled 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, white center, adjacent white, match with green center, lift it up, white, adjacent white, adjacent green center, adjacent white, adjacent red. Here it is. Match this red with this red, white, lift it up. So white, adjacent red, adjacent red center. This one. This match with orange center, orange with orange center. White, adjacent orange center, lift it up. So white center, adjacent white, blue, adjacent blue, white, adjacent orange, adjacent orange center. In the same way, white, adjacent green center. So for red also. So this we have to form first. Okay. So after forming this, look for solving these corners 1, 2, 3, 4. So looking for the third corner. Here this corner. Blue, orange, white. Look for blue, orange, white corner. Okay. Blue, orange, white. Okay. So blue, orange, white will come here. So move this like this. Okay. This space you have to bring here or here. So I brought this face, this white face here on this face, bottom left. So when it is here, remember with the move, it has to come here. Okay. So bottom right, this right down, bottom left, and this right up. So this cube comes here, blue, orange, white. Now go for another corner, this corner, orange, green, white. Look for orange, green, white. So bring this here or here. So when I move like this, okay, this cube has to go here. Okay, because orange, green, white, orange, green, white. So when it is towards right, bottom move towards left, right down, and bottom towards right, and right up. So this corner also solved. Now go for another corner. Green, red, white. Look for green, red, white. So green, red, white is here only, and it is towards bottom right of this face. So when it is towards bottom right, bottom left, right down, and bottom right, right up. So this corner also solved. Okay, and go for next corner. Here, red, blue, white. So look for red, blue, white. Red, blue, white is here. So I will bring in this here. Okay, here it is. But this white face I have to bring here or here. Okay, so that I can keep this here. Okay, so what I will be doing is moving like this. Okay, and lift it up. So my white face is here, this cube has to go here. So for this, same in this face, when it is bottom left, move the bottom to right, right to down, bottom again to left, and right up. So this corner also solved. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners as well as the center with respect to center faces and adjacent centers solved. So first layer is solved. Okay, then we will go for second layer. Second layer we have to solve these edges. Okay, so edges are like this. We have to look for green and red. Look for green and red. Okay, here it is, green and red. So this green face should match with the center green and red. So this green red should go here. Green red should come. This should come here. Further, it has to go here. Then we have to rotate the bottom towards left because it has to go towards right. Bottom left, right down, bottom right, lift it up. Okay, in this process we missed this one. This has to come here. So when it is towards left, and it has to come here, bottom right, left down, and bottom left and left, lift it up. So this edge, green and red, came here. In the same process we have to repeat for all the edges. Looking for this edge, red and blue. Look for red and blue edge. Yeah, here it is, red and blue edge. I have to make this face matching with the center face. Okay, it has to come here. This red should come here, blue should come here. For this, what I have to do is, this bottom, it has to come towards left now. So bottom right, left to down, bottom left and left up. If I do like this, I will be missing this one. So I have to solve this for this one. Okay, this has to go here. So when it is towards right, bottom left, right down, bottom right, left up. So this corner solved, this edge also solved. And moving for the next edge, blue and orange. Blue and orange, look for blue orange edge. Here it is, blue and orange. Blue orange, blue face, match it with center blue. Okay, this blue orange should go here, blue orange. So for this, it has to go towards right now. Move bottom towards left, right down, bottom towards right, and lift it up. In this process, I will be missing this one. It has to come here. So when it is towards bottom left, move towards right, left down, and bottom again to left, and lift it up. So this edge also solved. Moving for the next edge, orange green. Look for orange green. Yeah, orange green is here. So I will bringing this orange face to the center. I will match with the center. So this orange green should come here. Orange green. So it has to go towards right. So I will be moving this to left, right down, bottom again right, and lift it up. In this process, I will be missing this corner. So here it is. So white face, when it is towards bottom left, bottom towards right, left down, and bottom towards again left, and lift it up. So my second layer is solved. All edges have been solved. So 2 layers have been solved. Now moving for the third layer. Third layer, all yellow faces should come. Centers should match. Okay. Only these 2 centers have matched. Other 2 centers are not matched. First of all, I have to form one yellow cross. Okay. So initially we formed the white cross. In the same manner, we have to form the yellow cross. For forming the yellow cross, remember these steps. make sure that this yellow is towards your top left. Okay, so front you have to move like this, clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, left, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Repeat this until the press forms, right. Okay, so my cross has been formed. I have to check for the cross. This white yellow center, adjacent yellow, blue adjacent center should match. So it is matched. Here also yellow, adjacent orange with respect to center match. So two colors have been matched, but here green should come because it is green center, and here red should come because it is red center. So for this I have to make one move, keeping this matched one face towards my right and one opposite to you. Okay, and keeping the matched blue face this side and right side the orange. So repeat this step. Okay, repeat means repeat after me. Okay, lift up, move right, lift down, move right, lift up, again this clockwise, anti-clockwise, and lift this up. If see no, you again repeat watch this step, very crucial step. Okay, when I rotate it again, red center, yellow, red with red center matched, yellow, green center matched, yellow, orange center matched, yellow, blue center match. Now I have to match corner. This corner match, green, red, yellow. This corner no, blue, red, yellow should come here. So this cube is not in its position. Same here, green, orange, yellow should come here, blue, orange, yellow should come here. So only one has been matched. For this we have to do one more step, keeping this match one towards you. Repeat these steps: top clockwise, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and left clockwise. So when we see this, still not matched. So U R, U inverse, L inverse, U, R inverse, U inverse, and L. Okay, so remember those steps. Now if you see this edge solved, here cube in its position, but red should come here, yellow should come here, and blue should come here. Here also orange should come here, green should come here, and yellow should come here. So cube is solved entirely, but these two corners are been not solved. So keep any face like this, yellow face should come down. So we have to repeat the steps, these steps, until this yellow face come here and algorithm completes. R, U, R inverse, U inverse, R, U, R inverse, U inverse. So yellow face came here, I completed the algorithm. Okay, again I have to move the unsolved cube here. R, U, R inverse, U inverse, R, U, R inverse, U inverse, R, U, R inverse, U inverse, R, U, R inverse, U inverse. So yellow face came down and my cube solved. Okay, so this is how I solve the 3x3 Rubik's cube. This is for beginners only. Okay, first learn how to solve the cube, then practice it so that you can become a fast cuber. Thanks for watching.